So now we have to start with a new topic that is median of the group data. As you can see, I have written the formula that the formula for the median is L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So before you can learn this formula, we must need to know that what does L, N, F, H and CF mean. L is basically the lower limit of median class. CF is cumulative frequency. F is frequency corresponding to median class. N is sigma Fi, or the total number of frequencies. H is the class size, upper limit minus lower limit, or the class size or class height, you can say, just the same thing. So right now we are to compute the median for the following group data, but before we can proceed with, the very first thing that we need to pay attention is that the data given here is not continuous, as the upper limit is 126, next lower limit is 127, upper limit is 135, next lower limit is 136. So we need to make this data continuous. So how can we do this? Over the lower limit you are to subtract 0.5 and over the upper limit you are to add 0.5. So we'll write this class interval again, okay, but the rectified one. So lower limit you are to subtract 0.5, this will become 117.5. upper limit you are to add 0.5, 126.5. next subtracting 0.5, 126.5. upper limit में 0.5 ऐड करना है 135.5. लोअर लिमिट में फिर से सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे 135.5 इधर 144.5. तो व्हाट शॉर्टकट यू कैन यूज़ कि सबसे पहले यहाँ पे आप 0.5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते जाओ, दिस विल बिकम 144.5, 153.5, 162.5 एंड 171.5. यहाँ पे 0.5 ऐड करते जाओ, दिस विल बी 153.5, 162.5, 171.5 and last 180.5. okay, so now in the next column we have frequency with us given by Fi. So we need to calculate CF. So I'll just copy down the frequency again. तो frequency जो थी Fi, that is 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. So to calculate the CF is basically your cumulative frequency. What you are supposed to do, you need to just simply copy the first frequency, that is basically just 3. To calculate the next CF, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 12, 29, 29 plus 5, 34, 34 plus 4, 38, 38 plus 2, 40. So this is how you need to add to calculate the CF. I'll repeat again. सबसे पहले same. फिर 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 12 29, 29 plus 5 34, 34 plus 4 38, 38 plus 2 40. This is how you have to do. Now before we calculate the median, you must write the formula that the median is given by L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. ओके, तो यहाँ पे जो सबसे इजी जो चीज़ थी हमारे लिए कैलकुलेट करना है, दैट इज़ क्लास हाइट, अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट. तो कहीं से भी आप कैलकुलेट कर लो, यू कैन क्लियरली सी कि डिफरेंस 9 का है अपर लिमिट और लोअर लिमिट में. नेक्स्ट थिंग, व्हाट इज़ द टोटल नंबर ऑफ द फ्रीक्वेंसी, दैट इज़ गिवन टू बी 40. n by 2 will be 20. अब आपको एक ऐसी CF पिक करनी है जो 20 से बड़ी हो और क्लोजेस्ट हो, क्लोजेस्ट टू 20 एंड ग्रेटर देन 20. तो वी कैन सी दैट इज 29, क्लोजेस्ट एंड ग्रेटर देन 20. तो आप यहाँ पे ब्लॉक बना दो. सो दिस ब्लॉक इज बेसिकली योर median class. In this median class, the lower limit is your L, frequency is 12, और median class से एक ऊपर वाली आपको CF पिक करनी है. तो CF is 17. Now substituting all these values in the data, 144.5, n by 2 is 20 minus 17 upon f and h is 9. Solving this, 144.5 plus 3, इसकी कटिंग कर लोगे अगर आप 3, this will be 4 into 3 by 4, 144.5 plus 9 by 4. If you solve this further, 144.5, this will be 2.25. So the median of the data will be 146.75. This will be the median of the data. Okay. तो बेसिकली मीडियन क्लास पिक कैसे करनी है? फाइंड n by 2, पिक अ CF विच इज़ ग्रेटर देन n by 2 एंड क्लोजेस्ट टू n by 2. तो आपके पास मीडियन क्लास हो जाएगी. उसी मीडियन क्लास है यू कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू फॉर L, यू कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू फॉर फ्रीक्वेंसी F, एंड CF इज 1 above your median class. So now we will practice few more sums regarding this median. Now we have this question number 3, and the question is to find the median of the following data. Now before we start with the sum, okay, we know the formula, that the formula for the median is, it is given by L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Okay, we'll use this formula, no worries and no hurries. But before, if we just go through the data, okay, so whenever you are given below, less than type, above or more than type, the adjacent column is always the CF. Now the thing is, they'll never tell you कि आपके पास CF वाली column है. They'll always give you like number of holders, number of students. Okay, so always make sure that the adjacent column is for CF only. One thing more that we need to learn is कि with below or less than, we are always given the upper limit of the class interval. With above or more than type of data, we are always given the lower limit for the data. So right now if you go through this, so all these 20, 25, 30, all these are the upper limits of the data. So we'll create the class intervals, we'll write all these upper limits. So these are 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. So clearly we have marked our all the upper limits. Now we need to mark the lower limits. So before we start with the marking of the lower limit, we need to see that what is the difference between the limits 20, 25, 5, 25 to 30, that is 5. Some में 5 का difference है, 5 reduce कर दिया, this will be 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, subtracting 5 from each, you'll get 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. So basically this is your class interval that you have obtained. तो in the last sum we saw कि जब आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी से CF निकालनी, तो हमने एडिशन करी थी, मतलब सबसे पहली फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम और फिर नेक्स्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी से ऐड करके we calculated the CF. Right now we are given with the CF, I have written the CF, but we need to calculate frequency. तो जब फ्रीक्वेंसी से CF निकालते हो, we need to add. जब फ्रीक्वेंसी से, जब CF से फ्रीक्वेंसी निकाल लोगे, we need to subtract. And how that should be done? सबसे पहले CF and frequency will be same. Now difference of 2 and 6 is 4. Difference of this 18. Next difference between 24 and 45, this is 21. This should be 33. Now the difference is 11, now difference is 3, now difference is 6, and next last 2. So now we have calculated all the differences. Some students have a doubt, sir, अगर negative आ जाए तो बच्चे number of frequencies cannot be negative. So here we can say that frequencies have to be always taken in the positive sign. Now to calculate the median, again we have to go through the same things. First of all, calculate n, that is given to be 100. The last CF is always n. N by 2 is 50. Now we have to pick a CF which is greater than 50 and closest to 50. Greater than 50. So okay, 45 is closer to 50, but this is not greater than 50. Pick a CF which is greater than 50 and closest to 50. So this will be 78. This will be your median class. In the median class we have the lower limit, we have the frequency, and just above this we have the CF. So just mark all the things, that 35 is the lower limit, frequency is 33, and CF is 45, and class size, that is 40 minus 35, this is 5. Now to calculate the median, we will use the formula L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. This will be 35 plus 50 minus 45. F is 33, H is 5. तो ये 5 into 5, this will be 25 by 33. Converting into decimal, you will get 35 plus 0.76. So the answer will be 35.76. This is your answer. Now moving ahead with the last type of sum for the topic median. What you are required to do, now look at the question. They say that the median of the data is given to be 28.5 and they are asking you to find x and y. X and y are basically two missing frequencies with you. So let's start with the sum. So before we can start with, the very first thing that we need to do is we are to calculate the cumulative frequency. So the very first frequency and cumulative frequencies are same, 5. For next CF, 5 plus x. Next CF will be adding 5 plus x with this 20, this will be 25 plus x. Next CF will be previous CF plus next frequency, this will be 40 plus x. Next 40 plus x plus y, and next CF will be 40 plus x plus y plus 5, that will be 45 plus x plus y. So in the previous sum I did tell you that last CF is always equals to the total number. So here we have sum of all the frequencies as 60. Here you can see that x plus y is equals to 15, and let us mark this as 1. Now the concept that we were using in the previous sum कि आप पहले n देखो, n by 2 निकालो, ठीक है, उससे CF देखो, तो okay, that is correct. But whenever you are given the median, never use the concept of n by 2. Okay. So now look, that median is given to be 28.5. The 28.5 किस range में आएगा? You can see that 28.5 can be obtained from this range, from 20 to 30. So mark this as your median class. So as you can say, okay, the median is 28.5. So your median class is 20 to 30. लोअर लिमिट कितनी आ जाएगी? 20. फ्रीक्वेंसी आपके पास आ गई 20. लोअर लिमिट, फ्रीक्वेंसी, एंड CF एज यूजुअल मीडियन क्लास है एक ऊपर, दैट विल बी 25 plus x. Here n, total number of frequencies is 60. Median 28.5 and h is 10. Using the formula that median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H, substituting the values, median is 28.5, 20, 60 by 2, सी एफ आपके पास कितना है, तो सी एफ विल बी, सॉरी एक ऊपर वाला पिक करना था, दैट शुड बी 5 + x. Remember to put the brackets. Frequency is 20 and height is 10. तो सबसे पहले ये तो कैंसिल कर दो, 20 को यहाँ से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, दिस विल बिकम 8.5. 30 - 5 - x over 2 multiply 2 over here, this will become 17 and this will become 25 - x, so you can calculate x as 8 from here. Now when we are supposed to calculate y from the first equation, we have x plus y as 15, substituting x as 8, 8 plus y as 15, so y will be 7. So this is how we can calculate two missing values when median is given to you. So जब median calculate करना है, use the concept n/2, but when you are to find the missing values and you are given the median, then find the range where the median is lying.